As indicated by the most recent long jabber conjecture, Bitcoin cash cost will hit $400 toward the finish of 2026 and afterward $500 by the center of 2036. Bitcoin Jabber Value Forecast 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in Jibber at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash Jabber at $375.16, so the cost expanded by 44% from the very start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is $430, and the year-to-year change Jibber. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 15%. In the Jabber portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $367. In the last part, the cost would add $17 and close the year at $384, which is plus 2% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Forecast 2026 to 2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring a critical jabber. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $384 to $801, which is up 109%. Bitcoin Jabber will begin 2026 at $384, then at that point, take off to $470 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $551. That implies Jibber from today. Bitcoin Cash Forecast 2031-2035 Jibber. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would jabber from $801 to $1,173, which is plus 46%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $801, then at that point, take off to $852 inside the main Jibber of the year, and finish 2031 at $903. It is about Jabber from today. Jabber Cash Value Expectation 2024-2025. Jibber Cash cost began in 24 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash Jabber at $345.93, so the cost expanded by 33% from the very start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin Jibber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $422, and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The Jibber from today to year-end plus 22%. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $360. In the last part, the cost would add $16 and close the year at Jibber, which is plus 9% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Jibber Cash cost would move from $376 to $786, which is up 109%. Jabber Cash will begin 2026 at $376, then take off to $461 inside the initial half year of the year, and finish 2026 at $540s. That implies Jibber from today. Bitcoin Cash Forecast 2031-2035 Jabber. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $786 to Jibber, which is plus 46%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $786, then take off to $837 inside the principal half of the year, and finish Jabber at $887s. It's about Jibber from today. Jabber Cash Value Expectation 2024-2025. Jibber Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Jabber Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $326.68, so the cost expanded by 26% from the outset of the year. The anticipated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jabber, and the year-to-year change plus 63%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 29%. In the main portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $393. In the final part, the cost would add Jibber and close the year at $415, which is plus 27% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Expectation 2026-2030 Jabber. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from $415 to Jibber, which is up 3%. Jibber Cash will begin 2026 at $450, then, at that point, take off to $508 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $538. That Jibber plus 65% from today. Bitcoin Cash Forecast Jabber. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $427 to Jabber, which is plus 48%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $427, then at that point take off to $454, Jibber the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $481. It is about Jibber from today. Jibber Bitcoin Jibber Value Forecast 2024-2025. Bitcoin Cash cost began in Jabber at $259.70. Today, Jibber Cash exchanged at $309.98, so the cost expanded by 23% from the start of the year. The estimated Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jibber, and the year-to-year change plus 61%. The ascent from today to year-end. Jabber. In the principal half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will drop to $388. In the last part, the cost would add $22 and close the year at Jabber, which is plus 28% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash, Jibber 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Jibber Cash cost would move from $410 to $422, which is up 3%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at $410, then take off to Jabber inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $531. That Jabber plus 66% from today. Jibber Cash expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $422 to Jabber, which is plus 49%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at $422, then take off to $449 Jabber the primary portion of the year and finish 2031 at $476. It is about Jibber from today. Jabber Cash Value Expectation 2024-2025. Jabber Cash cost began in 2024 at $259.70. Today, Bitcoin Cash exchanged at $330.89, so the cost Jabber by 30% from the outset of the year. The determined Bitcoin Cash cost toward the finish of 2024 is Jabber and the year-to-year change plus 87%. The Jabber from today to year-end plus 43%. In the Jabber half of 2025, the Bitcoin Cash cost will move to $508. In the final part, the cost would add $152 and close the year at $660, which is plus 95% to the ongoing cost. Jibber Cash Forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Bitcoin Cash cost would move from Jibber to $1,235, which is up 87%. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2026 at 660s, then take off to 773 inside the Jabber a half year of the year and finish 2026 at 890. That implies Jibber from today. Bitcoin Cash Forecast 2031-2035 Jabber. In this period, the Bitcoin Cash cost would ascend from $1,235 to $1,790, which is Jibber. Bitcoin Cash will begin 2031 at 135, then take off to Jibber inside the main portion of the year and finish 2031 at 1,374. It is about Jabber from today. Jibber Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast Jabber. Bitcoin Cash cost began in 2024 at Jibber. Today, Bitcoin Cash Jibber at $412.12, so the cost expanded by 59% from the start of the year. The determined Bitcoin Jabber cost toward the finish of 2024 is $539, and the year-to-year change plus 108%. The ascent from today to year-end Jibber. In the primary portion of 2025, the Bitcoin Jabber cost will move to $564. In the final part, the cost would add $169 and close the year at $733, which is plus 78% to the ongoing cost. Bitcoin Cash Expectation 2026-2030 Jibber. These 5 years would bring